Today we'll talk about how can you enable follow notifications on your MarketCoins app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then just click here on settings. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on push notifications. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here. Then you come here to follows, just clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here follows notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.